My name is Asad Yaqub and I am your IELTS speaking examiner. What's your name?
My name is Adeen.
Can I see your ID please?
Yes.
Thank you. Alright. Are you ready to take your IELTS speaking test?
Yes.
Let's take a start. Did you go to a school or do you go to a school near to where you live?
Yes. My school is just a couple of miles far from my home. It's just a 5-minute drive. And I definitely love my school a lot.
Okay. What do you like about your school?
I like most of the things about my school. I like my classroom because it's very nice and there are many windows. It's very roomy. I like my teachers and my fellow students.
Tell me about anything you don't like at your school.
I don't like the playground. It's a little small because I have to race my friends. I'm the fastest of them all. So I like to race them. It's pretty small, so I don't enjoy it very much.
How do you think your school could be improved?
They should make a big ground, a bigger ground, and they should have more sports kits as well because they're a bit less. And they should also plant more trees because the trees over there are pretty old and haunting.
Okay. What do you do in your free period or game period in your school?
I talk to my friends in my games period or free period, and in my games period I like to play football or maybe cricket with my friends.
Alright, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2.
Yes.
This is your topic and here is pen and paper.
Yes,
You can
thank
jot
you, sir.
down some notes if you want to. Okay, you'll now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Yes. This thing that I've been longing to have for a long time is a nice car, a big black car. I saw it first at a showroom and I liked it immediately. It was eye-catching and it was graceful. It was a new model of Ferrari. I liked it a lot and I'm hoping to buy it from the first salary I get in the future, so I can travel on my own as well, other than going with my father or my siblings or any other family member. I would like to own this to travel everywhere, anywhere I want to go at any time, so I don't have to ask anyone to drop me or take me there. I don't have to take cabs because you see, having a car will be very important in the future for traveling. Many people own cars now these days and I would like to own one as well in the future.
Little more.
You see, this car is pretty big and pretty famous. It's a sports car and mostly people in Dubai have this car because of all that area. It's beautiful and this car is not really big, but it's very fast and graceful. Everyone likes to own a very expensive car. It's pretty expensive, but I hope that I'll buy it in the future.
Okay, very good. We now move on to IELTS speaking part 3. My first question is, what types of things do young people in your country most want to own today?
Mostly young people like to own their own properties or big cars because you see, big houses and properties will be good for their future. They like to own properties so they can sell them in case of emergency and to invest money.
Okay, why do some people feel they need to own things?
They feel that they need to own things because sometimes we need our own things, our own places, or some things that we own by ourselves, so we don't have to beg anyone to have it, or we don't have to request anyone, so we get this thing. Because you see, owning things nowadays is very important. You should have your everything that is your own.
Do you think that owning lots of things makes people happy?
Yes, that makes people happy because if you own a lot of things, you're surrounded with them, and when you think about it, it makes you happy. Mostly people like to own big mansions, big cars and expensive stuff.
Okay. Do you think television and films can make people want to get new possessions?
Yes, because mostly films are very inspiring because of their music and their story. So people suddenly get this possession at the end of movies that they have to do this or they have to get this as well. So they just have these possessions after movies or films.
Okay. Are there any benefits to society of people wanting to get new possessions?
Yes, there might be benefits because you see, having things after thinking that you need something after watching a movie, you start to do things for it. You start doing things that you can get to earn your goal, and then that's a benefit for them and for the society as well.
Okay, do you think people will consider that having lots of possessions is a sign of success in the future?
No, it is not a sign of success because this is a goal, and when you have so many goals, you don't know which one to start with, you don't know which one is more important and which one is not.
Okay, so do you think people will consider that having lots of possessions is a sign of success in the future?
They might think, but it is not a sign of success, because if I told you, like, if someone wants so many goals, there's so many goals in their life, they'll never know which one to start with. They'll never know which one they need to focus on first. They will always be thinking of the rest of their goals other than the one they're trying to get.
Alright, thank you very much. That's the end of your IELTS speaking test. May you have a fantastic day.
Thank you, sir.
Alright, so guys, that's all. And now it's your turn to give a good bench score to Adeen Asad, right? You can just comment below and you
7
can give...
plus, please.
Yeah, well, whatever she deserves, you have to give her the bench score. That's important. And don't forget to like this video, and you should subscribe our channel
Red button
as well.
and then the notification bell as well.
Exactly. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub and
Adeen Asad,
truly wish you all the best.
take care. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you, Deen.
400 Bakri.
Oh, I promised to pay her 100 rupees for each test. And she recorded
And my
four tests.
pocket money as well.
Yeah, pocket money as well, and it's going to be 400. I'm gonna pay her 400 rupees for 4 tests.
1400. What about my pocket money?
Yeah, pocket money 1000.
That's separate. No, but you're going to pay
All
it
right,
right
I'm gonna
now.
pay you.
Yeah. Can I
All
get
right.
your wallet?
No, I'll get my wallet myself.